guys, I am about to make a mixed drink using ice cream. First of all, I'm going to start by putting some ice in here. Oh, a little bit of ice. Bam, bam, wham. Add some Bacardi, rum. Show y'all. Add a little bit of that. Oh, that should be enough right there, you guys. What I'm gonna do next, I got some Sherbert ice cream, rainbow ice cream. I'm gonna put all them flavors in there. I'm gonna call this here the Sherbert Hurricane Mix. Okay, y'all. All right. Bam. Next, the ice cream. We're gonna add some hurricane fruit juice blend. Add just a little bit of that. Not too much. You don't want it to be too sweet. Now we got some blue caraca. This right here is like a syrup. All right, we're gonna blend that up, you guys. Blend that up. Put it down. See what's going on with it? Did I mix it up enough? Okay, you guys, I'm gonna pour some in my cup. Smooth sailing. Pour it in the cup. Oh, shoot. It's okay if I'm wasting a little bit. Y'all understand. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna stir that up a little bit so it can come down in the cup a little smoother. Yeah, look at that, look at that. That's a beautiful color, man. Beautiful color. Alright. Now, I'm gonna throw me a little piece, throw me some of these candies in it. Throw some candies around it. Oh, shoot. Give me a straw. I'm gonna give me a purple straw. Go in with the color, pull that junk out. Put it in there like that. Throw some whipped cream around it. I'm gonna take those parts out. Here it is, you guys. Here it is. Let's go ahead and taste it. See what's going on with it. Y'all, this is delicious. I'm gonna call this drink right here the Sherbert Hurricane Twist. Sherbert Hurricane Twist. Got the whipped cream sitting all around. Oh yeah, that's delicious. All right, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so y'all can be notified when we post new videos. Peace.